Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Fast Track Revision series on Maulika Siddhanta Evam Ashtanga Hridaya Paper. The short notes on the videos is provided in the Telegram channel and the link is provided in the description. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. Moving with the 11th chapter, Doshadi Vijnaniyam Adhyayam. From this chapter, the Samanya Karma, Vriddhi and Kshaya Lakshanas of Dosha, Dhatu and Malas will be asked. And also the topic related to Ojas is also asked in the previous year questions. Dosha, Dhatu and Mala are considered as the Moola of Deha. Vada dosha karmas are Utsaha, Uchvasa, Nishvasa, Cheshta, Veka Pravartana, Samyak Gatyaja Dhadunam, Akshanam, Patava, and these all are being produced when they are Avikrita. Pitta dosha karmas, Pakti, Ushma, Darshana, Kshut, Trit, Ruji, Prabha, Meda, Dhi, Shaurya, and Tanu Mardava. Kapha dosha help in giving Sthiratva, Snigdhatva, Sandhibandha, and Kshamadibhi. Dhadu karmas Rasa, Prinana, Rekta, Jivana, Mamsa, Lepa, Meda, Sneha, Asti, Dharana, Majja, Purana, and Shukra, Garbhodpata. Mala karmas Purisha, Avashtamba, Mutra, Kledavahana, and Sweda, Kledavidriti. Vriddhi Lakshana, Vadadosha, Karshya, Karshna, Ushna Kamitva, Kamba, Anaha, Shagradgraha, Bala, Nidra, Indriya Bhramsha, Pralapa, Bhrama, and Dinata. Pitta dosha, Pita, Wind, Mutra, Netra, and Tvak, Kshut and Trit, Daha, and Alpanidrata. Vriddhi Lakshana of Kapha dosha, Agnisatana, Praseka, Alasya, Gaurava, Shaitya, Shladhangatva, Shvasa, Kasa, and Atinidrata. Rasadhadu, the Shleshmavat symptoms, that is the symptoms of Shleshma Vriddhi. Rektadhadu, it produces diseases such as Visarpa, Pliha, Vidradi, Kushta, Vatasra, Pittasra, Gulma, Upakusha, Kamala, Vyanka, Akninasha, Sammoha, and Rekta, Tvak, Netra, Mutrada. Mamsadhadu, Ganda Arbuda Grandhi, Ganda Uru Udara Vriddhita, and Kantadishu Athi Mamsam. Medadhadu produces similar symptoms to that of Mamsadhadu, and in other than that, Shrama, Alpe Abhicheshtide Shvasa, that is palpitation, and Spik Sthana Udara Lambanam. Astidhadu, Atyasti, and Ati Danda. Majjadhadu, Netra Anga Gauravam, Parvasu Sthula Mulani, that is increase of size, and Arumshikas will be produced. Shukradhadu, Adistri Kamada, and Shukrashmari. And Shakrat, Kukshau, Atmana, Atopa, Gaurava, and Vetana. And Mutra, when it is Vriddhi, causes Bastinistoda and Akrita Saknyata. And Sweda produces Atisveda, Daurganthya, and Kantu. And other malas such as Dushikati or the malas of Akshi, Srotra, etc. has to be identified as Vriddha by the Bahulya and Gurutadi, etc. in their particular site. Kshaya Lakshanas. Vadadosha, Angasada, Alpabhashida, Saknyamoha, Shleshma Vriddhi Lakshanas. Pitta dosha, Mandanala, that is Mandakni, Shita, and Prabhahani. Kapha dosha produces Brahma, Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatam, Hridrava, and Shlatha Santita. Rasadhadu, when it is Kshina, produces Rauksha, Shrama, Shosha, Glani, and Shabda Sahishnuta. Rektadhadu produces Amla Shishira Pridi, Shira Shaithilya, and Rokshata. Mamsadhadu, when it is Kshina, produces Akshaglani, Ganda Spik, Shushkata, and Santhivetana. Medodhadu, when it is Kshina, produces Swapanam Katyaha, Pliho Vriddhi, and Krishankata. Astidhadu produces Astitoda and Shatana of Danda, Kesha, Nakha, etc. Majjadhadu, Astinam, Saushirya, Brahma, and Timira Darshana will be produced. And Shukradhadu, Chirat Prasucheda, and during the ejaculation, Shonita will be seen, and Atyartha Vedana of Vrishana, and Dhumayantiva of Metra. Purisha, Andrani Sashabdo Veshtayaneva, the movement or gurgling sounds will be produced, and upward movement of the Vayu, and Hritparsha Pitana. Mutra, scanty urination, and dysuria will be produced, and along with the urine, blood also will be produced. Kshaya Lakshana of Sweda, Romachudi, Stabda Romata, and Sputanam Tvachaha. And the other malas, ati sukshmanam will be kshaya will be happening, so it is very difficult to understand, and it has to be identified by the dryness of the ashaya and also toda, shunyatva and laghava. Vriddhi of dosha, dhatu and mala has to be observed by the increase in the similar qualities, and similarly kshaya has to be identified by the opposite qualities increase, and vriddhi mala vriddhi has to be observed by their non-elimination, and kshaya has to be identified as the too much of elimination in little quantities. Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava, another important concept. The Ashrayi is Vata and Ashraya is Asti. Pitta is related to Sweda and Rakta, and Shleshma the other Dhadus and Mala. That is, Vata resides in the Asti, Pitta in Sweda and Rakta, and Shleshma in the rest of the Dhadus and Mala. And the normal or general rule is that when there is an increase in the ashrayi, there will be increase of the ashraya also. That is, for example, in the cases of pitta and kapha dosha, whenever the doshas is getting increased, the dhadus and the malas which is associated with it also will be increasing. But asti marutayoho naivam, this is an exceptional case in case of vata and asti, that is, they are inversely proportional. That is, when vata dosha get increases, then asti dhatu will be getting decreased. And the vriddhi is in general happening due to the tarpana because of excess nutrition, and shleshma dhatu or shleshma dosha will be getting aggravated, and the management has to be given is lenghana. And kshaya is because of the loss of nutrition or viparya of tarpana, that is apatarpana, and vada dosha will be aggravating, and the management given is brahmana. This is the general case, and exception in case of vada dosha, that is, in case of vada dosha vriddhi, brahmana has to be done, and when in vada dosha kshaya, lenghana has to be given. Vriddha and kshaya chigilsa. When Rakta Vriddhi is there, Rakta Sruti or Rakta Mokshana and Virejana has to be given. In Mamsa Vriddhi, Shastra, Kshara and Agni Karma. In Meda Vriddhi, Sthaulya Upacharas or the management of Sthaulya has to be done. And when Vit is increased, Atisara Kriya and Mutra Vriddhi, Meha Chikilsa has to be adopted. And in Kshaya Chikilsas, when Meda is in Kshaya Avastha, Karsha Upachara has to be done. In Asti, Tikta Samyuta, Kshira Ghrita and Bastis has to be done. In Vit, Mesha, Aja, Madhyamamsa, Kulmasha, Yavamasha, etc. has to be used. In Mutra, Mutra Krichra Chikilsa has to be done. And in Sweda, Vyayama, Abhyanga, Sweda, Madhya, etc. has to be given. Next is important topic, Ojas. You can expect the essay or 5 marks or 3 marks question. Ojas is considered as the essence or teja of all the dhadus, and it is hridayastha, located in the heart, but it is present all over the body. It is snigdha, somatmaga, shuddha, and having ishad lohita pitaka varna, and en nasho niyatam nashi. Loss of ojas will lead to the loss of life, and every aspect of the health is depending on this ojas. Ojakshaya, the causes are kopa, kshud, dhyana, shoka and shramadibhi, etc. And the lakshanas are bipedi, durbala, abhikshna, dhyayadi, vyethitendriya, duchhaya, durmana and roksha. And the chigilsa for ojakshaya is giving the jivaniya aushathas and kshira, rasa, etc. And the ojavriddhi gives deha tushti, pushti and bala. Moving with the 12th chapter, Dosha Bhediya Adhyaya. From this chapter, mainly the dosha sthana and the different types of doshas will be asked. The dosha sthana, Vada dosha, Pakvashaya, Kati, Sakti, Srotra, Asti, Sparshanendriya, and Vishesha sthana is Pakwadhana. Pitta dosha, Nabhi, Amashaya, Sweda, Lasiga, Ruthira, Rasa, Drik, Sparshana, and Vishesha sthana is Nabhi. Kapha dosha, Ura, Kantha, Shira, Kloma, Parva, Amashaya, Rasa, Meda, Ghrana, Jihva, and Vishesha sthana is Ura. And the dosha bhedas, Vada dosha are Prana, Udana, Vyana, Samana and Apana. Pitta dosha, Pajaga, Ranjaga, Sadhaga, Alojaga and Bhrajaka. Kapha dosha, Avalambaga, Kledaga, Bodhaga, Tarpaka and Shleshaka. Panchavata, Pranavada is Murthaka and Urakantachara, and it is helpful in conditions for maintaining Buddhi, Hridaya, Indriya, Chittadhrit, Shtivana, Kshavatu, Udgara, Nishvasa and Annapraveshakrit. And Udanavada is located in Ura and it moves in Nasa, Nabhi, Gala, and it helps in Vakpravrti, Prayatna, Urja, Bala, Varna and Smritikriya. Vyanavada is Hridistita and Krishna Dehajari Mahajava, and it helps in Gati, Apakshepana, Utshepa, Nimesha, Unmeshana and all the Sarva Kriyas. Samanavada is Agni Samipasta and Koshte Charadi, and helps in Annam Grihanadi, Pachati, Vivecheti and Munchati. Apanavada site is Apanaka and it moves in Shroni, Basti, Medra and Uru, and helps in ejaculation or elimination of Shukra, Artava, Shakrit, Mutra and Garbha Nishkramana. Panchapitta, Pajaka Pitta, it is Pakwa Amashaya Madhyagam, that is in between Pakwashaya and Amashaya. It is Panchapudatmaka, and in that it is predominant of Agni Mahabhuta, and it is Tyakta Dravatva, and it helps in Pagadi Karma, so it is also known as Anala Shabda, and it helps in Pachati or Pachatyanam, Vibhajate, Sarakittau, and other Pitta, rest of the Pittas is Bala providing. Next is Ranchaka Pitta. It is Amashaya Shraya and Rasaranchana is the function. Sadhaka Pitta is present in the Hridaya and Buddhi, Medha, Abhimanadehi, Abhipredartham is the function. Alojaka Pitta is Drikstam and Rupa Alojana or help in vision is the karma. And Bhrajaka Pitta is present in the Twak and Bhrajana Twajaha, that is color and complexion is provided. Panchakapha. Avalambaka Kapha, it is Urastha, and it is also present in Trika and Hridaya, and it is giving the strength. Avalamba means giving support to the Trika and Hridaya also, and it support the other varieties of Kapha also. And Kledaka Kapha, it is Amashaya Samstita and helps in Anna Sanghata and Kledaka. Bodhaka Kapha is Rasanasthai and helps in perception of the taste. Tarpaka Kapha is Shirastha and helps in Aksha Tarpana, that is nourishment of the sense organs. Shleshaka Kapha is present in the Santhi and it helps in Santhi Samshlesha. The Chaya, Prakopa and Prashama of the doshas. Chaya is Vritti Swadhamna, that is slight increase of the dosha in its own place, and dislike towards the Nidanas which causes the increase of the dosha will be produced, that is Pradvesho Vritti Hedishu, and Viparita Guna Icha is seen in Chaya. Prakopa is Unmarga Gamida, that is overflow of increased doshas will be produced, and the premonitory signs and symptoms of the disease will be produced, and the patient will be feeling discomfort and the disease manifestation is seen in this stage. Prashamana is again coming back to the normal state, and Samata or the normalcy of the doshas will be seen, and Vikara Asambhava, that is no disease pathology will be seen in the body. Dosha Chayadi Karana. Vada dosha attains Chaya because of the Rukshadi Gunas and Ushna, and attains Prakopa by the Shita and Prashamana by the Snigdhadi Gunas and Ushna. Pitta by Snehadi Gunas and Shita, Prakopa by Ushna and Prashamana by Mandadi and Shita. Kapha by Snigdhadi Guna and Shita, Prakopa by Ushna and Prashamana by Rukshadi Guna and Ushna. Ritu dosha sambandha, this has been asked in the previous question papers. Vada dosha attains Chaya in the Grishma, Prakopa in Varsha and Prashamana in Sharat. Pitta dosha attains Chaya in Varsha, Prakopa in Sharat and Prashamana in Hemanda. And Kapha dosha attains Chaya in Shishira, Prakopa in Vasanta and Prashamana in Grishma. Another important concept from this chapter is Roga Marga. 3 Roga Margas are there. First is Bahya Roga Marga. It contains Shakha, that is Raktadi Dhadus and Tattva. And the diseases produced by this Bahya Roga Marga are Masha, Vyanka, Genda, Alaji, Arbuda, Bahar Marga, Durnama or Arshas, Gulma, Shobha. And Abhyantara Roga Marga consists of Andakoshta, Mahasrodha and Amapakwashya. And the diseases produced are Chardi, Atisara, Kasa, Shwasa. Udara, Jwara, Andarbhaga, Shofa, Arsha, Gulma, Visarpa, Vidrati, etc. And the Madhyama Roga Marga comprises of Shira, Hridaya, Bastyadi, Marma, Asti, Santi, Sira, Snayu, Kandara. And the diseases produced are Yakshma, Pakshavada, Ardita, Murtha Roga, Santi, Asti, Triga, Shula, Graha. Next, another important topic which coming for the exam is Dashavitha Pariksha. They are Dushyam, Desham, Balam, Kalam, Analam, Prakriti, Vaya, Sattva, Satmya and Ahara. The avastha of these all has to be ascertained. That is Dushyam, the dhadus involved, Desha, the region, Bala, the strength of the person and also the Roga, Kala, the season, Anala, that is digestion, Prakriti, the constitution, Vaya, the age, Sattva, mind or tolerance capacity, Satmya, the habits or the rasa or other habits, Ahara, the dietary regimens, and all avastha of these certain things has to be assessed. Moving with the 13th chapter, Doshopakramaniya Adhyaya. From this chapter, especially the upakramas of the doshas will be asked. Vadasya upakrama, Sneha, Sweda, Mridu Samshodhana, Swadu, Amla, Lavana, Ushna, Aharas, Abhyanga, Mardana, Veshtana, Trasana. Seka, Madhya, especially Paishtiga and Gautika, Snigdha Ushna Bastis, Sukha Shilata, Deepana Pachana Siddha, Snehadrevyas, and especially Pishita Rasa, Taila Anuvasana has to be done. Pittasya Upakrama, Sarpishaha Pana, Swadu Shitihi, Virechana, Swadu Tikta Kashaya, Bhojana and Aushatha, Sugandhi, Shita, Hridya, Gantha Rasas or Gantha Dravyas has to be done Upasevana. And Anulepana and Pradosha Chandramaha Southam, that is residing on the terrace on the evenings. Hari Geetam, enjoying pleasant music in a soft cold breeze, company of the friends or the other people, spending time with the persons who are favorable with us, and residing in houses having fountains or water coolants, ponds, parks, etc. And spending the time in houses near water reservoirs having clean water, sand, lotus, etc. are also told. And with calm mind one has to reside in such conditions. And especially the main treatment which we can give for the Pitta dosha is consuming Sarpi, Paya and Virechana karmas. Kaphasya upakrama, the Tikshna, Vamana and Virechana has to be done, and Ruksha Anna has to be taken, that too in alpa quantity, and Tikshna, Ushna, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya Dravyas, Dirgha Kalastida Madhya, Rati Preeti, Aneka Rupa Vyayamas, Chinda and Ruksha, Vimardana, etc. can be done in Kapha, and especially Vamana has to be done, and also using Yusha, Kshaudra, Medakna Aushadas, Dhuma, Upavasa, Gandusha, Nisukhatvam, such all things can be done in Kapha dosha. Next is another important concept which the questions are asked, Ama Utpatti. The Ama is produced by the lack of digestion, or when their Mandakni is there, Rasadhadu won't be produced properly and it gets dushta or vitiated and it stays in the Amashaya, and it such thing is called as Ama. And another one thing which is being mentioned regarding this Ama Utpatti is that Ama gets formed from the mixing of the doshas with one another, that is Anyonya Dushti of the doshas will be happening, and just similarly to that of Kodrava, when it is being mixed the Visha is being produced. Similarly, when the mixing of the doshas are being done, then that produces the Ama. Such concept also has been mentioned. Sama dosha lakshana, the dosha and dusha which is getting mixed with Ama is called as Sama, and it produces Srodorodha, Balabhramsha, Gaurava, Anila Muthata, Alasya, Apakti, Nishtiva, Malasanga, Aruji and Klama. And Sama dosha Chigilsa, Sarvadeha Pravisritan, that is if the Ama is spread all over the body which is being Lina Avastha, then it should not be done Virechana. If we are trying to do the Virechana, it is just like extracting the juice from an unripe fruit. It will lead to the destruction of that fruit. Similarly, it will produce the destruction or produce harmful effects in the person. So in such conditions, we have to provide the treatments such as Pachana, Deepana, and after that Snehana and Svetana has to be done, and later Shodhana karma based on the condition has to be provided. Then another important concept asking from this chapter is regarding Aushadha Kala. The 10 Aushadha Kalas are mentioned, that is Ananna, Annado, Madhya, Anda, Kabalandara, Grasa Grasa, Muhu, Sana, Samudga and Nishi. Anannam for the Kapha-dosha, Annada for Apanavada, Madhya for Samanavada, Anda for Vyana and Udanavada, Kabalandara for Pranavada and Grasa Grasa for Pranavada, Muhu for Visha, Chardi, Hikka, Trishna, Shwasa, Kasa, Sanam for Aruchi, Samudga in conditions of Kamba, Akshepa, Hitma, and Nishi in Urthojatru, Vikaras. The next chapter, Dvidhopakramaniya Adhyaya. From this chapter, especially regarding the Brahmana and Langhana is being asked. So the Shad Upakramas are Brahmana, Langhana, Snehana, Rukshana, Svetana and Stambhana. And this Shad Upakramas can be classified into two, that is Dvidhopakrama, Brahmana and Langhana. Brahmana is also known as Sandarpana. It produces the Dehasya Brihatva, and Apatarpana is called as Langhana, and it is producing the Dehasya Lakhavata. And Brahmana is having the same properties such as Snehana and Stambhana, so it can be included under Brahmana. And Rukshana and Svedana are having similar properties, so it is included under the Langhana. Brahmana Dravyas are predominant of Prithvi and Jala Mahabhuta, and Langhana Dravyas are predominant of Agni, Vayu and Akasha Dravyas. Langhana is of mainly two types, that is Shodhana and Shamana, and Brahmana is only one type, that is Shamana. It helps in Shamana of Vata, Pitta and Pitta Anila conditions. Brahmana indication, where the person who is Vyathi Karshita, Bhaishajya Karshita or Madhya Karshita and Stri Karshita, Shoga Karshita, Bharodhvara, Kshatakshina, Ruksha, Durbala, Vatala, Garphini, Sutika, Bala, Vriddha and other persons in especially Grishma Ritus. And the contraindication is the person who is indicated for Langhana karma should not be given Brahmana. The Brahmana Dravyas are Mamsa, Kshira, Sita, Sarpi, Mathura, Snigdha, Basti, and also the Viharas such as Swapna, Shaya, Sukha, Abhyanga, Snana, Nirvriti, Harshana, etc. Brahmana Labha or the benefits, is providing Bala, Pushti and Sadhyamaya, Sakshaya, that is diseases will be curable. And Brahmana Adi Yoga, it produces Sthaulya, Apachi, Meha, Jwara, Udara, Bhagantara, Kasa, Sanyasa, Motra Krishra, Ama, Kushtadin, Adidaruna, that is Adidaruna Kushtas. And the treatment especially include Meda, Anila, Shleshma, Nashana treatments. And the treatment for Brahmana Adiyogas such as intake of Kulatha, Jurna, Shamaka, Yava, Mudga, etc. Chinda, Shodhana and Jagara. And Madhu mixed with Tripara, Guduji, Abhaya, Ghana, etc. is helpful. And Agni Mantharasa mixed with Rasanjana, Mahat Panchamula, Gugulu and Shilajadu. And similarly powder of Vidanga, Nagara, Kshara, Kala Lohaja, Yava, Amalaka mixed with Madhu can also be given. And another important yoga for Brahmana or Ati Yoga of Brahmana is Vyoshadi Yoga. That is Madhu, Ghrida and Taila has to be taken in equal quantity and it has to be mixed with the 16 parts of Saktu. This mixture is to be mixed with any one of the powder of the drugs such as Vyosha, Katvira, Shigru, Vidanka, Ativisha, Sthira, Hinku, Sauvarchala, etc. And this mixture when is being taken with water, it helps in reducing the Adisthaulya and also diseases due to Brahmana Adiyoga. This yoga is also good in conditions such as Hridroga, Kamala, Shvitra, Shwasa, Kasa, Galagraha, Buddhi, Meda, Smritikara and it also help in Agni Deepti. Langhana. The first variety is Shodhana, that is it expels the imbalanced dosha out of the body and it is of 5 types, that is Vamana, Virechana, Niruha Basti, Nasya and Rakta Mokshana. The another variety is Shamana Karma. It does not expel the increased dosha out of the body and it does not increases the normal doshas also, but makes the abnormal doshas into the normal state. They are of 7 types, that is Pachana, Deepana, Kshut, Trit, Vyayama, Atapa and Maruta. Langhana in general indication, In conditions of Meha, Amadosha, Atisnigdha, Jwara, Urustamba, Kushta, Visarpa, Vidradi, Pliha, Shirakantha, Akshiroga, Sthula, and in other persons, in Shishira Rutu, one has to go for Lankhana Karma, and the person who is indicated for Brahmana Karma can also be administered with a little bit of or mild Lankhana. In other indications, Amadosha, Jwara, Charti, Atisara, Hridamaya, Vibandha, Gaurava, Udgara and Hrilasa. In all these disease conditions, when the person is Sthaulya or very obese and Balavan and having Pitta Kaphadika, an excessive predominance of Pitta and Kapha-dosha, Shodhana variety of Lankhana has to be done. And in the same condition, if the person is Madhya Sthaulya, that is moderately obese and medium strength, and the Pitta and Kapha dosha is moderately aggravated, then Pachana and Deepana has to be given. And the same disease conditions, when the person is very lean and he is having only Hina Bala and less aggravation of Pitta and Kapha, then Trishna and Kshut Nigrahana has to be done. And when the same disease conditions, when the Madhyama Bala dosha of dosha is present and the person is very Balavan, then Samirana, Atapa and Ayasa can be administered. Lankhana Labha, Vimalendriyada, Sargomalanam, Lakhavam, Ruchi, Kshutrit Sahodaya, Shuddha Hridaya, Udgara Kandhada, Vyathimardavam, Utsaha and Tantra Nasha. Lankhana Atiyoga produces Atikarsha, Brahma, Kasa, Trishnadhikya, Arochaka, Sneha, Agni, Nidra, Drik, Shrotra, Shukra, Oja, Kshut, Swarakshaya, and Basti, Hrid, Murtha, Jangha, Uru, Trika, Parsha, Ruja will be produced. And also it produces conditions such as Jara, Pralapa, Urdhvanila, Glani, Chardi, Parva, Asti, Bhedanam and Varcha, Mutra, Graha. The concept of Sthaulya and Karsha, Anapekshita Matradi Sevita, that is administration of Brahmana and Lankhana without due consideration of Matra etc. causes this Ati Sthaulya and Ati Karsha. And Sthaulya in conditions Katu Tikta Rasas, Ruksha Guna and Alpa Matra of Ahara, so the Dravyas has to be taken, and Guru Atarpana Dravyas has to be given in Sthaulya. And in Karsha, Madhura, Snigdha and Sauhitya, that is surplus or large quantities, and Sukha has to be done, and Brahmana Annapanas has to be given, and Mamsa, the Mamsa, that is meat of carnivorous animals, and also especially Mamsa is the best Brahmana Dravya. And Achinta, Harsha and Swapna makes a Krisha person just become stout like that of a Varaha. And Yava and Gothuma are considered Hita for both Sthaulya and Karsha if it is properly processed. Among this Sthaulya and Karsha, Karsha is considered as the best or better than obesity because there is no treatment for the obese. In obese condition, the Kapha dosha and Meda Dhatu will be more, and Brahmana and Lankhana are not capable of reducing these Meda, Agni and Vata. So for that case, Karsha is considered as best among this Sthaulya and Karsha. Moving to the 15th chapter, Shodhanadigana Sangrahaniya Adhyaya. In this chapter, different ganas of Aushadhas has been mentioned, and the previously asked questions are like Chardana Gana etc. And the other important ganas from this chapter are Eladigana, Aragvadadigana, Patoladigana, Jivantiyadigana etc. The ganas mentioned in this chapter are Chardana Gana or Madanadi Gana, Virejana, Niruhana, Navana and Vadakna Gana or Bhadradarvadi Gana, Pittakna Gana or Durvadi Gana, Kaphakna Gana, Jivaniya Gana and Vidaryadi Gana or helpful in Shwasa Kasa conditions. Saribadigana, Patmagadi, Parushakadi, Anjanadi, Patoladi, Guduchadi, Aragvadati, Asanadi, Varunadi, Ushakadi, Veerataradi, Rodhradi, Arkadi, Surasadi, Mushkakadi, Vatsakadi, Vajaharidradi, Priyangu, Ambashtadi, Mustadi, Negrodhadi, Eladi and Shyamadi. The 33 ganas are mentioned in this chapter, and these all ganas, Aushadhas, can be used as Kalka, Vata, Sneha, Leha or for Pana and Anvasana, Leba, Abhyanga etc. as per the conditions for the curing of the diseases. Today we completed a portion of fast track revision series on Maulika Siddhanta evam Ashtanga Hridaya paper and will be continuing the same in the next videos. The short notes of this video is given in the Telegram channel and the link in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.